Driving and camping in a camper van in India is not what people think. After so many trips, here are the 5 things I genuinely love. After working in software industry for 22 years, living and working in USA and Canada for many years, out of those 22 years, we returned back to India. I wanted to do something adventurous. I built a camper van and got it ARAI certified in March of 2021. Converted the passenger van to my own private camper van. It has been an amazing journey in camping and building campers in India. This is Vinay. Thank you for all the subscribers, viewers. It is really great to read all the comments. Please keep them posted. New videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday at 6:30 p.m. Don't miss out. If you are into camper vans, van life, smart conversion, this channel is for you. I'll be sharing real, practical camper van knowledge you can actually use. So make a note, subscribe and join the journey. Also, I did love to hear from you. Drop your comments, suggestion to help grow this channel. Hope you are relaxing on Sunday. Sunday's videos will be all relaxing, camping, entertaining, fun and informative at the same time. My Sunday's video will be my own personal experience with the camper van life. I'm sure this will relax you and also fun to watch. Our routine in camping and traveling. These are the 5 things I love about camper van life in India. One is freedom to travel, cooking, beautiful weather, unique experience of place and family bonding. The number 1 is freedom to travel anywhere. Start and travel anytime. Go where your heart wants. No fixed plans, no rigid schedules. Choose your destination, change it anytime. Travel on your own terms. Start early, take a break, stay longer. It's completely up to you. Wake up to the new views. Every day brings a new sunrise, a new place and new experience. And save money and travel more. No hotel bookings, no last minute rush. Travel smart and stay longer. Spontaneity is a superpower. See a beautiful place, just stop. Feel like extending your trip, we can just do it. There are no deadlines, no limits, just you, the road and the endless possibility. This one I absolutely love. Buy local ingredients and cooking food while camping. The motto is eat local, eat fresh, stay healthy, stay happy. Fresh and healthy food. Buy fresh local ingredients and cook your own healthy and hygienic meals. This will support local farmers and small business while saving on restaurants and packaged food. Eat what you love. Cook your favorite meals your way, anytime, anywhere. This is better for digestion and wellness. Home cooked meals with fresh ingredients keep you healthy and full of energy. And moreover, this is fun and memorable experience not only for you but for an entire family. And you will be interacting with local farmers that will give you more insight into the local area. Cooking together while camping caters joy, stories and unforgettable memories for the family. Good food, good mood. Always I remember this while doing camping. The next best thing I love about camping in India is beautiful weather all year long, sunshine, breeze and beauty. India has it all. Pleasant climate year round. From snowy mountains to sunny beaches, India offers great weather in every season. Even in rainy season, we can camp out in the camper van and it will be an awesome experience. And there are diverse destinations. Explore cool hill stations, lush forests, desert, serene backwaters, all with amazing weather. Escape the extremes. Always find a place with the perfect weather no matter the season. This will boost well being. Enjoy fresh air, sunshine, and nature. Perfect for your body and mind. Combine this with yoga and meditation. India is an awesome place to camp in a camper van. Perfect for outdoors, ideal weather for camping, road trips, trekking, and exploring all year long. So enjoy your outdoors, every season, every region, something beautiful to experience. You hear that beautiful sound of birds? I'll let you enjoy this for a moment. Okay, let us cross this one. Okay, if you cross this and come here, okay, there is a lot of mist on that side. I want to see. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. Oh, see. The next thing the most I like is the unique experiences of places and trekking. Discover the hidden gems, explore offbeat trails, untouched places, and secret viewpoints. Every trail has a history, be a part of it. Connect with the nature, breathe fresh air, enjoy scenic beauty while you are trekking, and feel the peace of the outdoor. Challenge yourself, trek new heights, and push your limits and grow stronger every step. You will realize how stronger you are than you think. Create unforgettable memories, capture breathtaking moments, and cherish stories for lifetime. Meet new people, While you are trekking, you will meet lot of new people, talk to them and share the experience and learn from others also and build a lifelong connections. These are all new places, real stories, adventures that stay with you forever. So step out and explore. Experience you cannot get online. Sitting at home, the next big thing as a family is family bonding and quality time together. When we are inside the home, everybody stays in their own rooms or watching mobile phones. So when we are in a camper van, everybody got only one room. So everybody has to interact with each other, help each other. So this makes the family bonding really good. The stronger connections, spend meaningful time together, always away from distraction, shared experience, explore new places, try new things, create stories to cherish forever. Kids will remember this for their entire life. If they experience the camper van camping in a good way, quality time that matters, conversation and the games and the laughter that brings everyone closer. And this will create less stress and more togetherness. Memories for a lifetime, moment that make today become memories for you, and this is a big treasure for every member of the family. So family time isn't just important, it's everything. So camper van, living in a camper van and camping even for a weekend or even for a monthly travelers, this is a great experience. Together is our favorite place to be. So camper van is our favorite place. So make real memories. So these are my 5 favorite things that I love when doing camper van camping in India. Hope you like this video. These type of videos, camping and traveling, I will post it on Sunday at 6:30 p.m. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for the next videos and also hit the notification bell. Please do comment and share your thoughts. It will help me and everybody to learn more. Thank you for watching.